Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoder's YouTube channel. In this video what I'm going to show is how to export a Power BI dashboard to a PowerPoint. If you have a developed Power BI dashboard like in the video, it is very easy if you have exported it to a PowerPoint, because then you can present it easily to the staff or the audience. Right, let's see how to do that. So first, this is your Power BI dashboard. Now this sales report is being developed. Now we are actually from the Power BI desktop, there's no any option that you can export a Power BI dashboard directly to a PowerPoint. So because of that, we have to publish it to a web. Right, now we select a destination. Right, now we are going to replace it because this is I have already been tested. Right, now as you can see, it is being published in the web. Now we go to the web version. So this is, if you type apps.powerbi.com, app.powerbi.com, so it will come to this window, and from the My Workplace you can directly select Sales Rep 2 or the report that you have developed. Right, so as you can see, this is the published report from the Power BI desktop to the Power BI web. Now we'll try to export this to a PowerPoint. Right, first go to export, select PowerPoint, and with the current value I'm going to export this. So it will take a little while because exporting will take a little while. So you can make any report from the Power BI desktop and you can publish it in the Power BI web version. Actually you can develop the report in Power BI web version as well, but for me it is very convenient for me to develop the reports in Power BI desktop. So it mentioned this might take a few minutes, so we'll wait and see. Right, now it has been downloaded, so we'll open and see. Right guys, so as you can see, Power BI dashboard is been exported to PowerPoint presentation. Now you can directly go and present this to the whatever audience that that you have. Right, let's see one more thing. So let's say if you go to the report again, so we'll select maybe year 2010. So as you can see, now the filtered data is being shown. Now let's see if we export this, what will happen. Right, the PowerPoint is ready. So if you open it, so as you can see, now the filtered data is being displayed. So sometimes when you do presentations, the audience might be really interested on different data, right? So then sometimes you might have to create the data based on the filtration. Sometimes they may request data from by the year, by the product, different filtration. So if you develop a Power BI dashboard, so it is just a matter of a click that you can develop all these things and just can export to the PowerPoint presentation, and you can just present it. So it is very easy way of doing that. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this and share this if anyone is interested in this subject. Thank you.